I'm going to refill a Canon PG-243 ink cartridge with some refill ink, but first I need to drill a hole. Now I've opened this, I've peeled back the label, and inside on the, let's see, it's the 1, 2, 3, 4th hole down on the left, there's a tiny factory air hole, so that's where I'm going to drill. I've got my 3/32 inch drill bit. I could have used the drill bit that came with the refill kit, but the electric drill is a lot faster. And I'm going to place it right over that air hole. Okay, I punched it through, so now I'm going to get rid of those shards. And now I'm ready to refill. I take the refill ink and I just place the nozzle inside that hole that I just drilled. This is a messy process, it seems like, so that's why I'm wearing the gloves. So I'm pumping it until I see an overflow. There's my overflow. So now I could either tape this or reuse the label, and the label seems pretty sticky still. I'm going to clean off some excess ink and just lay this label on, because you have to seal it. So that's it. Now I'm ready to rock and roll.